Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change the quick settings grid size on your Samsung Galaxy smartphones. So, if you want to change the grid size of the quick settings menu, we're gonna have to download and install the additional application on our smartphone, which is called the GoodLock. It is available both on Google Play Store and Galaxy Store, so just open whichever one is closer to you and then open the search menu and search for the GoodLock application, then open the applications page and install it. Then let's open it, and after that agree to terms of service to proceed. And now what we're gonna need to do is find the extension called QuickStar and then download it too, and then let's launch it afterwards and give it all the permissions that it asks you of, if it asks you of any permissions. And after that, let's navigate a little bit lower until you see the change quick settings button grid, and here you can make the button grid either wider by moving the circle to this side of the bar, and let's see what it looks like now, or we can make it narrower, and now all the icons here are so much close to each other. So just adjust it using this one bar and the settings will be applied immediately. And that's how we do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.